Hello! In this video, I will show you how to fold an Origami Flying Saucer with 2 landing pads. This Origami UFO goes very well with my Planet Saturn and Space Rocket origami models. This origami model is an original model that I created. You will not find it anywhere else, so don't forget to subscribe for more easy and fun origami models. To fold an Origami Flying Saucer, you need a square piece of paper with a different color on each side, and we'll start with the white side on top. First, fold the square horizontally. Mark the fold and unfold. Then fold the top to the middle. Mark the fold and unfold. Fold the top to this fold. Mark the fold. Then fold back this fold in the middle and reverse this fold. Then fold this edge to this fold. And fold the bottom edge to this fold. Then turn the paper to the other side. And fold the top edge here down, so this edge to this edge. Mark the fold. Then fold this edge to this edge. And you won't be able to fold all the way. Start here, then fold until you get to this point here. Then when you get to this point, fold back and flatten like this. And mark the fold. Then fold this like this. And fold it back. Then we are going to fold from this point here to this point there. Mark the fold. This point to this point. Then open, and we are going to fold, to put this fold here down like this, and we fold back here. Let me show you again. So we are like this. We open the model, we flatten here, we fold back this fold, and we fold. Then we bring this edge to this edge. Like this. And then we are going to fold
from this point to this tip. Here. And then we can flatten like that. And you can fold back this flap. And we are going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So this edge to this edge. Mark the fold. Then this edge to this edge. Start to fold here, then go back up until you get to this point, and then fold this edge here like this. Fold this down, then back up, and make a fold from this point to this point. Mark the fold, unfold, and then flatten here, fold back, and flatten. Then fold this edge to this edge. Mark the fold, unfold, and fold this point to this point. And flatten. Then fold back this flap. Turn the model to the other side, and your origami UFO is complete.
I hope you like this origami UFO. In the last video, I asked you to pick between those 4 origami models, and the flying saucer got the most votes. So it's now published. I'm replacing it with a slanted tricorn model to do modular origami. Please add a comment to tell me which origami model you would like in the next video. If you fold the origami UFO or any of my models, please send me a picture so that I can show it in the next video. This time we have planets and a space rocket from Fathir and Furqan in Indonesia, a planet from the Young Ones in the Netherlands, a cool Santa Yoda from Lizzie in the UK, the Arecibo message in origami pixels from Elisabeth in France, a giant Christmas tree from Alan and his students in Japan, and sailboats from Ariana and Michaela in New Zealand, from Luba in the USA, and from Abigail in the UK. I'm very happy because we have more and more sailboats on the world map of origami boats. Please keep them coming. Thank you very much, and happy folding!